This is my entrance into the Dolomites. I will stay here for the next 3 days. Everything I need I have in my backpack, and I'm really looking forward to this one. Today I have 8 hours of pure walking time ahead of me, so let's go. I also want to make one summit in between. The weather forecast was actually very good, but it's not so good. At least for now, maybe it's getting better, so let's hope for the best. And it's really beautiful already. And I'm just at the beginning. The good news is I found a shortcut, so I will save some time. The bad news is the shortcut goes straight up. It's quite steep, but I can do it. So this last part was quite difficult and exhausting. I had to slow down a little bit. I'm getting closer to the top. I guess I'm 2,500 meters now, roundabout. The view is stunning, unbelievable. I love this part of the earth. The Dolomites, very, very special. Beautiful creatures. I just decided right now, this is my new favorite animal. So I was wrong a little bit. I thought this is already my main summit, but it's not. It's actually this one. So still a little bit to go, but that's fine. I have enough time. This would be actually the perfect location for my bivouac. I planned differently. I planned to go further down just to be sure, you know, be a little bit more safe. And I don't have enough water, so I cannot change my plans. I have to go down because there's a lake where I will get my water. So I'm still a little bit before the summit, but I had to eat something. I was so hungry I couldn't make it. So I make a little break here, have a little snack. So I'm up here on the summit. In August in the Dolomites, a summit with nobody. Very rare, but possible. I was lucky. Now next step, it's almost 5 o'clock, so I will go down there and look for my campsite and also some water that I can filter. I have the water filter, so I need some water. I just have half a liter left. And then tomorrow we go this direction to this mountain over there, and then I will put up my bivy there on the green mountains there that are in the sun right now. So that's for tomorrow. But right now, focus on going down safely and then find a spot to camp. Complete rock desert. It's also quite difficult to find a path. Luckily there are some stone mans around, like little piles of stone to show you the way. That helps a lot. For sure not the best of the best waters, but now I am fully stocked. I have enough water and that just feels really good. Actually, my plan was to camp here, but then I saw such beautiful places up there. It's still, the sun is still out. I'm still kind of strong. It's 1.5 hour, like super steep uphill. Up there I might see the sunset and the sunrise, and I cannot resist that. So So that is my setup for today. That's a Bivy bag. It's not waterproof, specifically not waterproof, because I don't need a waterproof Bivy bag. This is just very water resistant, so I don't use it in rain, obviously. I just use it for the dew, the morning dew that sits on the sleeping bag otherwise if you have nothing. But this is supposed to be very breathable. I have a tarp just in case. It will not rain today, I guess. So for food I have calculated per day 3000 kilocalories, which consists of one outdoor food and the rest is those protein bars, like really dense protein bars, salami, mini salamis, some nuts and dried fruit and stuff, like a mix, and some more nuts because I had them at home, cashew nuts. Those ones are salted. So that was all in all a great but tough day. I don't know how many kilometers and altitude meters I made. I have to calculate that, but maybe I can write it somewhere. Yeah, the spot is great. It was totally worth it to come up here. I can feel a little the humidity already. So we'll see how that turns out, that little experiment. It's just 8:40, but the sun just set and I'm totally tired. So I'll try to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. As you can see, I pitched the tarp at around 11 o'clock. The Bivy sack was completely wet, completely inside and outside, and it was just like a wet blanket laying on top of my sleeping bag. Yeah, there's a lot of humidity, but after I pitched the tarp I slept quite good, and now I'm waiting a little bit longer for the sun to rise, which is happening right now. So yeah, slowly I get ready and then I make breakfast. So the night was really good. There was no wind. Also now there's no wind. I pitched this up a little bit in the hope that the sun comes in, but the sun it's too cloudy yet. But yeah, all in all I slept very good. Very relaxed start. It's around 8 o'clock now. I fell asleep there again, but that was nice. And now I'm heading into this direction, first down and then over there to this mountain and then to the green peaks there. The plan is again 8 hours of pure walking time, so with breaks and rest and sitting down and enjoying will be perfect for setting up the next camp. Perfect fairy tale landscape here, unbelievable. So we came from there. You might see the white snowfields. That was the highest peak, and then I slept one peak further down. I came over here, and now I walk this direction. I want to do this summit. I don't know if I can do it though. And then after I go across and around the other side. It's surprising how steep such a grass mountain can be. Not much further, almost there. I already came down from here And I decided to not make this mountain because that would have been 3 extra hours on top of the 8 hours, and that would be like pure walking time, and that would have been too much. I'm not so excited about totally destroying myself, so I'm gonna relax a little bit more and sit here on the bottom of the mountain and I look at him from down here. That's also very nice. A little break in between, absolutely necessary. I'm standing now right before those green mountains we were talking about. So here, this is my entrance, all the way up, 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 and then on the other side, and I'm on the green mountains. We started over there where there's this little red mountain where it's broken off, and then today I went behind this mountain all the way over there. There's the big mountain that I didn't do. I was further left and I went down into this green bowl there, and from there I went this way and then all the way, and from there I came up here and now I'm here and it's awesome. So everything can dry a little bit. Usually I don't use tarps very often, so I'm not very skilled in building a tarp. Also this one is not perfect, but it will protect me. That's all I need. It's comfortable. I like to sleep on the top. I might do that more often. Tent is of course much simpler, but the tarp has its charm, I have to say. Okay guys, the sun is setting, at least from where I am. I will fly the drone just so you see where I'm at, and you can make yourself a good picture of the area where I am. And yeah, I hope the wind will not pick up too much. It picked up already a little bit. We will see tomorrow. I hope I sleep well, and I see you tomorrow. Good morning. So how was the night? It was pretty good. There was just a little wind, so it worked out pretty well with my floppy tarp here. I'm drinking my coffee and I just relax a little bit, maybe sleep a little bit more, and then I pack my stuff and start the descent. So my food concept with the 3000 kilocalories worked out pretty well. I still have something left for breakfast and for the way down, so that's fine. It worked out good. Now it's about 1 or 2 hours descent to the lake down there. From there I take the bus and then the train back home, and I hope you enjoyed it and I see you next time. Hey.